got one pack. What is this pack you are thinking? This is in blowpens. I ordered in 5 days ago, 4 days ago. I don't know. I forget it. So let's get to open this pack. It's a beautiful pack. I love blowpens. So I ordered blowpens. Really? Let's open. Here. Nothing. Yeah. Voila. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I love. So this is on blow pens. So I got a pens. It's beautiful pack. I love this pack. And I saw in my art book. So when I saw this one, I forget it. Mata one day gave to us this thing, so that's why we didn't forget it. This, and we got backside like this. You saw? And the children are playing with this. Let's open now. Inside you don't know, so that's why I know. Taste it. Oh. First, this is white color. Purple. Black. Red. Green, blue, and some cards. So we should draw now. Oh, I got 4 cards. Another one is a butterfly. So I got the glow pens. I want to draw now. So I'm drawing. Inside, oh, I got these stencils. Blue I got. Black. Red. And last and final, not last and final, another one. Green, purple, and yes, white. That's all. And inside we got these colors. I like it. So I want to draw now. So I am taking the towel.
Stencils.
And these are the stencils what I got.
That one stencils.
Oh, sorry. These are the stencils. And these are the stencils. So I want to use this towel. I love this towel. And so I'm taking first not blue. I like red for the flag. So I'm drawing for the flag red.
Colors దాంట్లోనే ఇస్తారా?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
And like this we should keep. And this cap is there. We should do like this. Ta-da.
Blow చేయాలా అలాగా?
Yes. Okay. I got the flag. So I'm taking it again. It's too wet. So I want to take for the towel black. It will look like good, I don't know. But I'm using black. So they gave 3. black sketch and this cap like this and what you want. You should not keep this. We should pull not. We should push till this circle and we should keep. So I'm using now red. Actually, I'll show now. Wait a second. Till I did 3 only. Another 4 I should do. And I'm doing this part. Why it's not coming? Oh, I didn't. I'm using this. I like this purple.
దానివి నువ్వే వీడియో చేసేస్తున్నావా? ఏంటంటే చెప్పేస్తున్నావు. అది మనం ప్రోడక్ట్ ఎప్పుడు ఆర్డర్ చేస్తే అది మనకి కొన్ని డేస్లో వస్తుంది. నువ్వు డేట్స్ చెప్తున్నావు, అది నీ డేట్స్ అవి.
No.
ఆ డేట్స్లోనే అందరికీ రావు. ఎప్పుడు ఆర్డర్ పెడితే అప్పుడు వస్తాయి అన్నమాట. నేను చెప్పకుండానే చెప్పేస్తున్నా. సో ఎనర్జీ కూడా కావాలి కదా అలా బ్లో చేయడానికి.
అక్కర్లేదు.
ఎంతసేపు పడుతుంది?
కొంచెం ఎక్కువసేపు కాదు, తక్కువసేపు ఎప్పుడు అయిపోతుంది. Finally my drawing is over and this look will be look like this. It's too beautiful and same, it is same
స్టెన్సిల్స్.
stencils like this. So did you like this video? Please like, share, comment and click the bell icon and subscribe to the entire series. Bye bye.